Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 YouTube automation niche channels that actually shouldn't be monetized or are surprisingly monetized. So let's get started with the first one. First channel I want to show you is a quotes channel. So this is a channel actually called Quotes. They've got 600,000 subscribers, but the total amount of videos they posted is 84, and they're posting only once a week. Currently, this channel is averaging about 1.2 million views per month, which is a couple of $thousands. With that, they also have channel members who are paying monthly membership. So I'm not even sure what they get. Let's actually see what they get for joining. So if they join, they simply get member shoutouts, loyalty badges, and priority, reply to comments, and it's only $1 to join. I wish you could see how many members have actually joined, but even so, this channel did start in 2021, so it's just over about a year and a half old. But if you actually take a look at these videos, let's actually pull one up right now, you'll actually see that it's just a quote on screen with the individual in name. So in this case, it's John F. Kennedy, and someone is simply just reading the quote. I wouldn't be surprised if it's actually artificial intelligence that's doing the voiceovers, but a voiceover is reading this quote, and it's simply a picture of John F. Kennedy on the side. So here you can see more, it's just simple images. You can see that the text or quotes are simply just changing, but surprisingly, this channel is monetized. Now, I'm not sure if this falls against YouTube's terms of service, but if you want to start a channel like this, it's a 50-50 chance. I don't think it should be monetized. I do think they're going to get cracked down, but so far they have been very profitable, I imagine. I imagine that these videos don't cost a lot to make because there's no script. You simply just compile like 20 quotes from a famous historical figure. You display it on the screen with a static image of that famous figure on the side, and then you hire someone or use AI to recite the quotes. Now, moving on to the second channel, we have a Reddit themed channel. So this is a channel whose name I cannot pronounce, but even so, you can see that they post once every 3 days. So the past 30 days, they posted 10 times. And this drop off of 22 million views, it seems that they've had to delete a video. Okay, they probably got in trouble. They had to take down a video. But if you take a look at their videos though, it's simply just Reddit threads, and there's an individual. I must admit that the voiceover for this channel, he's very enthusiastic, he's very engaging, and he's actually quite funny. So that's a one-up notch in terms of other people starting Reddit themed YouTube channels. But he's simply just reacting to posts that he finds on Reddit. He's simply creating very good thumbnails and titles. And even so, these videos do go viral. I imagine the watch time on these videos is extremely high.
Today we're checking out r/made-me-smile.
So again, the voiceover is very exciting. It's very funny. They get straight to the point. They don't waste any time at all talking about some fluff. They start with the video. Like, notice how this video that I pulled up here, this video literally started within 3 seconds. I mean, that's a very good watch, and they start ASAP. So there's something that you can learn from this channel. It's that get straight to the intro, don't fluff out your intros, and start your video, deliver what is promised. Moving on to the third YouTube channel, we have a channel called Free Investing. So this channel is already averaging about 2.6 million views per month. They're posting quite frequently. So in the past 30 days, they posted 23 times. But what Free Investing does is that they take famous figures' speeches, kind of similar to quotes, except these are more modern day individual finance influencers, very high investing individuals who are very familiar with the finance, the stock market, crypto. They take certain segments of their speeches and they overlay their speech. So they take an existing speech or video and go ahead and display that in the video while overlaying it with stock footage. So this is a channel which is up and trending and on the rise, in which if you're interested in starting a channel like this, I imagine that you can get these videos done for less than $30 each. Notice that these videos are very long though, and also notice that Free Investing is posting 23 times per month. So that is something that you have to consider. When it comes down to it though, these videos are actually watchable. I've watched a few of these videos and they actually are very good. And that's because it's from individuals like Dave Ramsey, Warren Buffett, Robert Kiyosaki. These are actual individuals who, and this is what I've tied to a previous video, these are power figures, okay? These are power figures that people recognize. These are power figures that people listen to. And because of that, the watch time is great, the click-through rate is great. People are clicking on these videos because they know these individuals. So this is a great niche overall, and surprisingly, it is monetized. They're taking existing speeches from other videos, overlaying stock footage on them, and the channel is monetized. Moving on to the 5th channel, we have the Daily Dose of Internet. So the funny thing about Daily Dose of Internet is that you don't know how many times I've been asked if I run this channel, and as a disclaimer, I do not run this channel, but you can see that they're getting 78 million views per month. In addition to that, they're posting once every 3 days. What Daily Dose of Internet does is their videos are a bit shorter, so their videos about two minutes long, as you can see here, but they're getting millions and millions and millions of views per month. And it's basically just someone reacting to multiple clips that are compiled within this video. He's simply just reacting to it, commenting on it, and laughing alongside with it. Very easy type of video to make. The only hard thing about starting a channel like this is that you're not really targeting power figures or power keywords like how you're targeting with free investing. If you were to start a channel like this, I imagine it's going to be very, very difficult. You would have to think of a unique twist that you can give to your videos. But even so, this surprisingly is monetized. It's just mashing up multiple videos together and calling it a unique video and then commenting over it. Now, the last channel I want to introduce you guys that's surprisingly monetized is a parody movie trailer channel. So this is a really interesting channel, okay? It's called VJ4RAR2. So it sounds like a screen name like AOL. But even so, they're only posting one video per month. They have 700,000 views the past 30 days. You can see the channel, it's been around for some time. But this is a legitimate editing channel in which this individual is simply just compiling movie clips to create a parody trailer. So you can see that these movies actually haven't been announced yet, but because of the creativity, he's actually using a voiceover sometimes in the video. Like for example, Titanic 2, Rise of the Clones. This trailer or movie concept actually isn't even coming out. And so with that, he's just creating these concept movie trailers for upcoming videos. You can see how he creates these videos. He even has a series that he created 3 years ago. But even so, these are very interesting for people to watch, people anticipating for It 3. People anticipating for the Batman multiverse parody movie trailer. People are actually interested to see trailers like this. I imagine the watch time is actually great. I mean, look at this video here. It's called Frying Dory. It's quite humorous, and again, it's a parody trailer made to make fun of these upcoming movies that are not even announced, nor will they ever be announced possibly. But even so, he shows how he makes the videos, and surprisingly, this is monetized. So he's got 500,000 subscribers. He's monetized. He's having fun making this channel. I imagine 700,000 views per month is a couple $1,000s per month. But even so, if you're creative like this, you can mash up clips together and create your own unique trailer and add a voiceover to it. Take a look at this channel because surprisingly, this is monetized. So if you want to learn more about YouTube automation, make sure to watch this video next, in which I go over an entire 26-minute long video on how to get started with YouTube automation.